IELTS 6 Myths Busted. I can choose which module I wish to take.
Not quite. For degree course you must take the academic module, and for diploma/immigration you must take the general training module.
IELTS test is more difficult than other tests.
The IELTS test is easier than other English language proficiency tests.
IELTS is different in various parts of the world.
IELTS is known to be a standardized global test.
I can only take the IELTS for 3 times.
You can take the IELTS as many times as you wish to.
I can successfully study for the test myself.
To prepare effectively, you must get professional advice from an IELTS tutor.
I should take as many practice tests as possible.
Taking numerous practice tests alone without focused study plus analysis is not an effective approach to improve performance in the IELTS exam.
Thanks for watching.